In this video, I will show you how to get Minecraft Bedrock for free on PC or laptop. First, it's important to understand that Minecraft Bedrock is a paid game, so there is no fully legal, permanent free version, but there are a few safe and official ways you can try it without buying it directly. One of the easiest methods is using the Minecraft trial version available on the official Minecraft website or Microsoft Store, which lets you play the game for a limited time with basic features. Another option is Xbox Game Pass for PC, where Minecraft Bedrock is included in the subscription, and sometimes you can even get a free trial of Game Pass to play it temporarily. You can also check Minecraft Education Edition if you have access through a school or institution, as it is sometimes available for free with an approved account. These are the only safe and legal ways to experience Minecraft Bedrock on PC without directly purchasing it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.